In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make passive income with ChatGPT as a complete beginner in 2023. And if you don't know what ChatGPT is, it's basically a free AI tool that is designed to respond to people's questions in a way that gives you back an answer cause any of your questions ask. So, without wasting much time, let me show you how you can make passive income with your ChatGPT. First, you need to create an account to access ChatGPT. Then you will be introduced to this page and you can get answer to your question here. So, the first way to make money with ChatGPT is by posting a blog on your website. Let me show you how it works. So, we are going to ask ChatGPT for the most popular phones, and you can see that he has given us an answer. So we are going to ask ChatGPT if you can create a blog post for the topic he just emphasized on. And you can see that he has created an entire blog post about the most popular phone. Then after, you can then copy it to Google Docs to finalize the post. Then after you are satisfied with the work, you can now post it on your website. So you can then sign up for Amazon Associates to promote your products on that website. Since we are making a blog post about phones, it is important to share a product related to your topic. So the next one is becoming a freelancer. You can start making money with ChatGPT by offering freelance services like this person that has made over $35,000 and this other person that has made over $89,000 from freelance copywriting. So, if for example you go to work to write a review about Studio iPhone 14 phones, you can also use the ChatGPT to help you write a review about the new iPhone 14 phones. And you can see it has actually generated these. Then you can use Google Docs to edit the work. And for you to find clients, you can simply sign up on places like Upwork or Fiverr. So the next on the list is Amazon KDP. And if you don't know what Amazon KDP is, it's basically a publishing platform that can be used to self-publish a book online, which reader can purchase as an ebook or pre-sortiment book. So, let me show you how you can use ChatGPT to make money on Amazon KDP. So what we're going to do here is that we're going to go back to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give us a title for children's storybook. And you can see it come up with an adventure in the Wonderwood, The Magical Journey of Lily and Leo. So, we're going to tell ChatGPT to help us write a kid's story about the topic it just generated. And you can see it's actually writing a story for us. Then we're going to go on Canva and use Canva to create a book cover for the story. Then we're going to sign up for Amazon KDP and publish the book there. So if you like this video, I want to see more videos on how to make money with AI. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Bye.